What if I told you the Earth has a heartbeat? Not a metaphor, but a real, measurable pulse that beats once every 72 hours. Exactly. It all started with a global anomaly. Every ocean on the planet, all at once, crested in a single, synchronized wave. From Tokyo to Miami, tide gauges went wild, recording a pulse that defies every law of oceanography. This wasn't a tide, an earthquake, or a solar flare. It was something else entirely. Scientists were baffled. Data visualizations showed the pulse traveling at nearly 10,000 miles per hour, a speed impossible for a wave moving through water. It was as if the information was being transmitted instantly across the globe. Over a 72-hour cycle, pressure sensors lit up in perfect sequence, confirming the impossible. 12 different nations, 12 identical readings. The consensus was clear. Something was sending a signal, a heartbeat, through the world's oceans. The question was, from where? All data pointed to one location, the deepest, most inaccessible place on Earth, the Challenger deep in the Mariana Trench. A specialized submersible was sent down, plunging into crushing blackness. At a depth of nearly 12 miles, where no light has ever shone, its sonar detected something impossible. A massive geometric structure, glowing from within, emerged from the seabed. It was a perfect crystalline formation, pulsing with a soft blue light, in perfect rhythm with the global heartbeat. And all around it, strange bioluminescent creatures swirled like ancient worshippers around a sacred altar. Getting closer, the explorers realized this was no natural formation. It was a perfect dodecahedron made of a material unknown to science. With each pulse, it emitted a low, resonant hum at exactly 1.1 Hz. That frequency is no coincidence. It's the exact frequency of the Earth's own natural resonance, the Schumann resonance. Animations based on the sonar data revealed a shocking truth. The structure was connected to a network of crystalline cables running through the planet's trenches, a planetary circulatory system. This wasn't just a crystal. It was the control hub. This led to a breathtaking theory. The Earth is a living organism, and this structure is its heart. This planetary pacemaker pumps the ocean currents, regulating global temperatures, distributing vital nutrients, and maintaining the delicate equilibrium of our biosphere. Our data simulations are terrifyingly clear. Without these pulses, the ocean's circulation would collapse. CO2 absorption would plummet, and the migratory patterns of marine life would fall into chaos. This structure isn't just a geological curiosity, it's the life support system for our entire world. But was it built, or did it grow? Did an ancient, forgotten civilization engineer it to regulate the planet before they vanished? Was it left here by an extraterrestrial intelligence as a terraforming device? Or is this the ultimate proof of the Gaia hypothesis that Earth itself is a conscious entity and this is one of its organs? The surface is covered in what looked like control interfaces and energy conduits, suggesting it is, without a doubt, a piece of technology. And that brings us to the most terrifying question of all. What happens if it stops? Our simulations paint a grim picture. The moment the heartbeat falters, the ocean currents stall. The world's climate conveyor belt grinds to a halt. The tropics would begin to boil while the poles freeze over in an instant. Marine ecosystems would collapse within days. The atmosphere would become toxic as CO2 levels triple in mere weeks. Our planet's life support has a single point of failure, and we just found it the most disturbing part. We aren't the first. Declassified documents reveal that multiple world governments have known about this pacemaker since the 1960s. Secret underwater bases have been monitoring it for decades under a classified mission codenamed Project Neptune, with one simple directive: do not disturb. The submersible team that first discovered it. Officially, they were lost at sea. The scientists who tried to publish their findings, they simply disappeared. But now the secret is out because the pulse is getting weaker. The Earth has a heartbeat, and for the first time in history, we can hear it failing. What we do next will determine the fate of everything. Thanks for watching. Share this story because the world needs to know.